Gathering Materials Freshwater Collection Design Systems. Objective: how can I create a freshwater design system to convert salt water to freshwater? Remember, as young engineers, we are trying to help East Ferris since they are having a water shortage. Unfortunately, the population of East Ferris is increasing, therefore their freshwater supply is running low. Also, they are surrounded by salt water. So how can we help East Ferris convert their salt water into freshwater for their people? Hi everyone! So today we're going to recreate our freshwater collection systems. By the way, this is Lola Bunny. She's going to help us just a little bit. We left our water system collections at home, so I thought it would be a great idea if we can try recreating them at home and see what the results are, since we're really not going to be able to see what happened to them. Remember, the objective of the water collection systems is to see how can we collect fresh water from salt water, because many people around the world don't have fresh water. So as engineers, we need to figure out how can we give people or provide people all over the world with fresh water when they don't have the special engineering or plumbing that we do here in our country. So let me show you what I have. I tried to have the same materials that we used in school. The most important thing is that you have plastic cups or plastic containers, or at least let them be clear, because you have to be able to see if you collect any water droplets around. So make sure that whatever container you have is clear. You don't necessarily need to have 3 containers, but you do have to have at least one clear container. It could even be like one of these. I'm sure a lot of us have these at home, or any type of plastic cup, and any size is absolutely fine. Remember, your objective is to collect as much fresh water as possible. We also need a little bit of hot water. Definitely we need ice. If you need tape, then you can use tape, but you don't really have to. Saran wrap. We need the saran wrap. If you do not have any saran wrap, you know what you could do? And I did this too. I don't have any plastic bags, but this came from, I'll show you, from this. Where your toilet paper comes from, or your bounty paper, you can cut off the clear part, and that's what I did. And this is what it is. So you can use that instead of saran wrap. If you have, you can also use aluminum foil. If you don't have, you don't need aluminum foil. And some of us before needed rubber bands. I don't have any rubber bands at home, but I do have scrunchies, okay? You can even use string to tie around your plastic onto your cup if that's what you're going to do. So I'm also going to provide a new activity sheet for you to be able to draw and list what materials you did use by yourself. I'm using these materials because this is what I have at home. Many of you don't have food coloring, which is absolutely fine. You can also use Kool-Aid. You can use iced tea mix. You can use maybe apple juice, but remember, you literally need just a little bit. So let me just show you how much little bit you need. Let me put this down a little bit more so you can see. This is my hot water, and you can get the hot water or warm water from your sink. And then pour just a little drop. You don't need a lot. Remember, the blue water signifies the ocean water, okay? And just mix it in, and that's about it. So, and then you can pour a little bit of water into whatever container you want to use for your design. You don't need a lot, but what the objective is that we need to collect as much fresh water as possible. I'm going to attach the PowerPoint as well, and like I said, the activity sheet, so that you guys can do it at home. And on Monday, we can come back, you guys can take your pictures and submit them, and I'll do the same thing. I have an idea for what I want my freshwater collection design to be, but I don't want to share it just yet. I'll share it with you guys on Monday, okay? All right, bye.